I came across Bon Appetit's Spicy Salmon Bowl, and it looked really interesting, so I figured I'd give it a try. Now when cooking a recipe, I like to grab everything at the start and set it out. Then you start cooking. This one starts off with the cucumbers. You thinly slice them. Mandolins work really well right here. I was just too lazy to clean up something extra. Season them and add some rice wine vinegar. This is really easy, and they're pretty tasty. It's kind of like a lazy quick pickle before you're off to making your spicy mayo with chili crisp, some rice vinegar and mayonnaise, and then just mix that up and set that aside. I'm really not sure why they didn't use this mayo to coat the salmon instead of making another one, but you grab your salmon, they cover the skin on, but I don't think that would get crispy enough for my taste. So I took it off before cubing it up. It's hard to cube salmon exactly in 1-inch pieces because it's round, so just do your best. Then you season the salmon with some cayenne pepper, salt, and some mayonnaise. This is where I really didn't understand not using the chili crisp mayo, because stuff's delicious. Then you're going to take this and grab a baking sheet. I line it with parchment paper so the salmon doesn't stick, but aluminum foil works as well, and it makes for easier cleanup. Then you just broil it for like 8 to 10 minutes. It just depends on how done you like your salmon. So now that we have the pickles, the sauce, all the garnish done, it's time to put it all together. You grab some avocado, which I'm allergic to, so I could only have a couple of bites, but it's really tasty. A couple spoonfuls of salmon, some of that pickling liquid, the cucumbers, and be generous with that spicy mayo. It's really good. Some furikake or togarashi or whatever seasonings you like to put on top with the scallions, and I gotta say, this was really delicious. It's super simple. It was done in the time it took me to cook rice, and that includes filming and everything. This is a perfect weekday dinner. It's fairly healthy, minus the copious amounts of mayonnaise, but you could probably sub Greek yogurt and it would still be just as tasty. So overall, I would make this again. I hope you guys enjoy, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.